Here I've got iPhone XS and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here you will notice text size, so just open it. And here you can simply tap over here to have the larger size, or to the left to have the smaller one, to have pretty small one. So if you would rather this one, just leave it this way and it will be automatically adjusted to your preferences. So just let's go back, and as you can see, it is now way smaller, and then if you would like to make it bigger, just leave it this way, and this is how it looks like. You can also bold the text, so just let me change it to a default size, so in the middle of the scale. Let's go back, and now you can bold the text. Just tap over here, tap on continue, give your device a few seconds to apply the changes. And as you can see here, it is bolded. It's better to see it here. And then if you would like to go back to the standard one, just open display and brightness one more time and unclick it. Continue, give your device 2 seconds, and now you're back in the standard one. So as you can see, it is not bolded. So that's it. Now you can change your font size and if it should be bolded or not whenever you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.